Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your POCO F8 Ultra. So first, if you are using USB-C headphones, then you need to clean the charging port because dust can block the connection. So as you guys may know, the charging port is at the bottom, and I would recommend cleaning it with a soft brush. It does a way better job than the air compressor, for an example. And after you clean it up, what you guys can do is restart the phone. So this step is to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button. Now swipe down to reboot, and now your phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys once it's done. So after the restart, what you guys can do is make sure that you're using an original or a certified adapter. If you're using a cheap adapter, then it can break down any second and you just won't notice. And of course, we're talking about the USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter. Now, you can try, of course, another pair of headphones. So just grab your adapter. I do not have one on me right now, but just grab the adapter or just another pair of USB-C headphones and try and plug this in. Now after that, what you guys can do is update your phone software. So all you guys have to do is go over to settings, then go to about phone right up the top and click on the HyperOS right here. As you guys can see, no updates are available for me, and that means I'm running the latest version. But if you do have an update available, then make sure to hit the update button and the install button to ensure that it's not a software glitch. Now for the Bluetooth headphones, what you guys can do is turn the Bluetooth off and on. So let's go back to the main page. Now my Bluetooth is already turned off, but I'll turn it on. Now let's just click the switch and wait a couple of seconds. After that, you guys can click the switch again and that should work. Now if you have paired your headphones already and they're just not detected or just not pairing at all, you can forget them and repair them again here in the settings. Now make sure to charge them to the full amount of battery. Once my headphones were at 60 or 70% and they wouldn't connect, but once I charged them up to 100, they connected without any problems. So make sure to charge them up to 100%. You guys can also avoid using the device interference. So for an example, you have another device that has the same headphones connected and paired to it. Maybe the headphones are connecting there and not to your device, and you definitely do not want that, so make sure to go and check that out. And as a last step for Bluetooth headphones is to update your software. So as you guys know already, you guys can easily do that by going into about phone, clicking here and checking for the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.